The only way for us to find true perfection is through finding peace, allowing the heart to give the life force to the organs so that they can be at their best. As soon as the heart is not in charge, we get broken, we get lost. Not only don't we become better, but we lose our moral compass, we lose our understanding of what's right and what's real. And then the things that we say, the things that we do, the things that we think are just coming from the brain. There's no heart. There's no truth. There's no reality. The 12 Shvatim represent the 12 mazalas. The 12 mazalas represent 12 different organs, 12 body parts. And these 12 body parts being the consciousness that resides within each one of us. And so consciousness resides within the organs, and the organs control how we're going to perceive reality. Yehuda represents the heart. The heart represents speech. Dvarim hayotzim min halev, nichnosim min halev. Real speech, human speech, comes from the heart. Speech that comes from the brain is not human speech. Speech that comes from the brain is from a person that doesn't yet qualify to be called human, because he doesn't yet have access to his heart. What makes us human is our heart, is our sensitivity, is our understanding of the importance of what is taking place. Without that, we're just a concept, we're just an idea talking. But it's not human, it's not real, it's not authentic. And so, Yehuda, he's the king. Just like the heart is the king, like the Sefer Yetzira says. Lev benefesh, the heart within consciousness, kemelech b'milchama, is like a king at war. Who is he fighting? He's fighting all the different messages coming from within the organs, and he's trying to find peace between all the different forces that are pulling him in different directions. And so in this war, as the organs are fighting, and so the Shvatim, as they sold Yosef, as Yaakov Avinu realized that the Shvatim are not together, the organs are not trying to create unity, they're not trying to create a single reality together. He knew that Klal Yisrael's destiny is going to be faulty, is going to have problems. Because the only way we can ever find peace is when all of us, all the different parts of us, are working together to create one reality. As soon as different parts of us want different things, the heart cannot find peace. And so within the understanding of the Torah is 12 different lanes, 12 different perspectives being represented, 12 different realities that are coexisting. And why is the Torah built in that way? Because that's you. You are 12 different perspectives. You are looking at the world from many different angles. And this is because our consciousness is built on biological organs. These organs, they create our emotions, they react to our thoughts, they react to reality. And so, to every reality, we have 12 different reactions, each organ reacting in its own way. Sometimes one organ is extremely pleased with what's happening, while the other organ is yelling and screaming. Sometimes none of them are happy. But the key to evolve, the key to becoming you, is to find the common ground between all 12, so that the heart can find peace. And this is why ultimately we're going to leave Golus by listening to our hearts.